uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uzokwethula inkulumo ayibhekise ebantwini bakuleli uMagamanxa nje leli hora kulandela izinsolo ezenziwe uKhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu. Nakho-ke okulindelwe abantu kule nkulumo kaMengameli.
The decision that you have to take is to make sure that you protect Mkhwanazi so that he can carry on and protect the province as such. And it is the lesson to the all commissioner in South Africa that they have to take the stand if there's something that is wrong. If the president gives us the wrong statement, I think the wrong result will come at the end. We can't allow the president to announce that he chased General Mkhwanazi out of the system of protecting the South Africans.
General Mkhwanazi ufike noshintsho olukhulu kakhulu kumoto uyabheka ngendlela esekwenzeka ngakhona njengamanje nobugebengu obunciphile uma singaqhathanisa na before akusafani indlela ebekwenza ngayo izinto usually nje hayi manje ushintsho olukhona kakhulu mama ngendlela mina ngibona ngayo kuyisikhathi ese right futhi kuyisinqumo nje sibe sihle kakhulu asenzile uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ukuthi avele akuthathe lokho akubeke phambi komphakathi ngoba sabantu base South Africa besingeke sisilwazi oludaba udaba lolu lubaluleke kakhulu obolidinga ukuthi abahlali base South Africa silwazi.
I'm highly grateful that Mr. Mkhwanazi took the opportunity to use us as normal citizens and make sure that we acknowledge or we know, we have information of what is happening. Because if he followed the correct procedure or the internal processes, I'm sure they would have led him nowhere.